So I've been looking at all these grand designs. These, you say Puma? This dry weight $79.46. I don't know how long that is. It's 20-pound bottles. But let's go show you this thing. It's pretty intriguing. It's 50-ounce service, dual air. Here's the front bedroom. See, dual air. Yeah, you know, not bad. The one next to it had a place for washer and dryer. I want to show you this bathroom. It's got a seat, so you could shave your legs. You know, that's important. You know, everybody's got to shave their legs. Pantry, so it's not bad. Plastic toilet. I didn't even check the toilets now. It was Grand Designs, but it's got the center island. Coat hooks here. Dinette with the bench, which is okay. It didn't have doors down there, but it's got storage under there. I guess you can. It's got Thomas Paine recliners, the TV, the fireplace, a pantry, ever chill refrigerator, which is not Dometic. I think Dometic might be better. Not a big fan of that sofa there. I think I'd change that out for another Thomas Paine collection. But this one's 28 with the nationwide 4-year warranty, 27 without it. Nice little light fixtures. So, yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. This one's definitely a different layout. Rear facing sink, or outside front. Sink's in the front. $29.9. It's a 31 front kitchen. That's a weird deal right there. Nice tub. And the rear bedroom, which is a big bedroom that way. Cool. Place for the washer and dryer back here on the tail. I could do that with the washer and dryer in the rear end instead of stay on the nose because of tongue weight. I like it. I wonder how good Puma is compared to Grand Design. Probably a little cheaper built trailer, but nice layout. See, one air there and a smaller air back there, which is cool, which is really, really nice. One slide. Does the bedroom have a slide? Yes, it does. So when that slides to come in, which is fine. Still have room to get in there. So I wonder if we don't like Puma. Awning, slide. Yeah. Well, yeah. Honey, fix me a sandwich. I'm watching the news. Which here's the front bunkhouse. Here's the bathroom. Well, I turned the camera on to show you this. I've looked at one of these campers I've not showed y'all, but this bedroom has a desk. Da-da. But it's a Puma. I don't really think I like it. I think it's a little cheaper material than that Grand Design. For the money I could get that Grand Design with the desk. I think it was cheaper. But it's got a massive kitchen. That's why you couldn't take the bunkhouse out of this one, because of the kitchen, which is huge. Look at that. That is one massive outdoor kitchen, which just right here opens up. Oh, it's an induction top cooker. Jeez. Too much kitchen for outside. Just give me a grill and I'm set. And she's a bit long, being pulled by a bumper with a half-ton truck. Crazy. This is a 2020 Flagstaff Bunkhouse. 33.1 or 31.9. Front bedroom. Love the cabinets, man. These are nice cabinets in here. And upper cabinets. Nice kitchen. I love the dual sink. Suburban magic shelf. Hey, that's made where I'm from. Dometic. Nice storage. Soundbar, TV. Bunkhouse, which I think that them bloody outdoor kitchens take up all this space. What if an outdoor kitchen I could turn that into an office, you know? Nice, cute little bathroom. Cute little toothbrush tray. So, yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Dual air, 50 amp service. Alright, this is a Flagstaff 26 front kitchen. BS, is that backslide? I love the front kitchens. Suburban, Dometic, dual sink. Closet, television, fireplace right in front of the recliner, bathroom. That's a pretty fancy little shower. Huh. And entryway for the sliding door. How do I open it? Oh yeah. Not too shabby. I think these Flagstaff's material looks pretty good. That's kind of thin, but it's nice material. Everything fits good. You know, everything fits real good. Decent mattress. Certainly you're not going to throw it away. Oh, look at that. Nice. I like that better than having to raise that up. These are nice doors. Storage. So it's a nice couples camper. You know. It's a nice couples camper. But I'm sure this makes a bed, and that makes a bed. Psh, have no company. So yeah, not bad. Not a bad layout. No place to put an office, but hey, nice controls. Little 2020 micro light. 26,000 front bedroom. Nice cabinets. It's a Flagstaff. Oh, single air. Which probably this little tiny one would be fine. Nice bath. This is a 29 RBS rear bathroom. And she's locked. Can't get in it. I ain't never. And this one is a 29 RSWS rear living room. Cool, man. Oh yeah, look at this big open monster. Dinette table, recliners, sleeper sofa, television, soundbar, fireplace, pantry here, overhead cabinets, Dometic fridge, little space there, nice corner kitchen here. 37,195 with the 4-year deal. Magic Chef microwave, RV comfort system, 3 slide outs, 2 awnings, Big bathroom. Nice. Is this a slide? No, it's not a slide. Look at how huge this pantry is, or not pantry, but wardrobe. Holy cow! Place to put all your stuff. Man. I think these are nice. These Flagstaffs. I love that extra countertop space there. That's the real stuff there too. Doesn't have the island. That's the difference in the Grand Designs. They have the island, but all in all, it's not a bad little trailer. You know? Yeah, not a bad trailer. I like it. I wonder how heavy she is. I don't know. Okay, this would be easy to turn into an office. I'll show you why in a minute. It has no air up here. And it's kind of small, closed in feeling. Looks to be a cheap type couch. Not a big fan. Don't like that. It's a Dometic fridge, fire or television there. This is a Passport for $30,000. A lot of dead space here to hang coats on. Little bathroom there. But this bunkhouse, you can leave it a bunkhouse, I guess, but you can take that up real easy. This right here folds up out of the way. So you could put that up out of the way and put a desk here so you can make that an office easily. I just don't like this front part of it. Just, there is no perfect trailer, I don't believe.